All right, so in this problem, we're going to be using molar conversions in order to convert from moles of one chemical to moles of another chemical within a reaction. In the reaction that we're looking at here, we're reacting carbon monoxide and oxygen together in order to make carbon dioxide. In this particular question, we're going to start, and in every question like this, we are going to start by figuring out what is given and what is unknown. You want to put a box around the thing that's unknown, and you want to underline the thing that's given. On any time that you do a question like this, that's the annotation that you should use. The thing that you box is your unknown, and that's going to go on the top of your proportion. The thing that is given is what you underline, and that's going to go on the bottom of your proportion. So in this question, you can see that we're looking for the number of moles of carbon dioxide that will be produced when 10 moles of oxygen gas is reacted completely. So we have X moles, an unknown amount of moles on the top, and we have 10 moles of oxygen on the bottom. Now, in order to solve this question, we're going to need to set it equal to another proportion. In this proportion, you want to have the same units across the top and the same units across the bottom. You can see that I have moles of carbon dioxide here, so I'm going to have moles of carbon dioxide on the top on the other side. Same thing, moles of oxygen on the bottom, moles of oxygen on the bottom. Now the thing that's missing here are my coefficients, my values that are going to make this proportion a true proportion. I'm going to get these values from my balanced chemical equation, which is given up here. I know that there are going to be 2 moles of carbon dioxide for every 1 mole of oxygen. I know that because there's a 2 as the coefficient in front of my carbon dioxide, and there's a 1 or a hidden 1 as a coefficient in front of my oxygen. Now that I have this proportion set up, I am able to do some cross multiplication in order to solve for my missing X value. When you do the steps on this cross multiplication, you're going to have 2 times 10 is equal to X times 1. That's going to give you 20 equal to X. And if you plug that back in, you can see that that means that there are 20 moles of carbon dioxide produced when 10 moles of oxygen gas are reacted. Now that you've seen this practice problem, you're going to go do some practice problems on your own. That is the spicy worksheet for today. These practice problems, you should follow the same exact steps that we worked on here. Good luck!